Hi guys, another night, another video. Kacper's journey here and welcome. Today we will be talking about, let's say, making a ideal offer for your clients, and then of course I will talk about my day. In general, how to make ideal offer for your clients. So in short words, let's say, you need to give them so much value and show that the value that you are giving to them are actually valuable to them, not to you, of course. But yeah, you need to focus on giving the value for the client so great that the client cannot say no to you. So for example, if you have offer that is worth, in your eyes of course, 2 millions to get from the client in money, let's say, value, then you need to show them that you will give them more than 2 millions, and even in the longer period of time, that it will be repeated a few times at least, because yeah, nobody likes to pay $2 million. So you need to have in mind that the high cost needs to have even higher values. So no matter the price, you need to grant your client so much value as you of course possibly could. So if you have expertise in many fields, you can apply all of this expertise in one package, let's say, and then just give that to the client and price tag that on the quite nice level. So for example, if you have skills of front-end of developer, the back-end developer, the DevOps, and you can just bring all of that and create something really great. If you even have the UI UX design, yeah, of course I am always talking about website because it's my field of knowledge. So yeah, if you have some UI UX on top of that, it is also a value. So yeah, also all of the integration that needs to be applied around that. Also, you can just give a 100 satisfaction guarantee, so you or money back. For example, you can even add, if you of course can, a few years of additional guarantee, that you can just improve little stuff on the site without any costs for the client, so it will be also valuable for them. Of course, you can find some occurring costs like hosting the site, like maintaining the site, like maintaining the database, because it's also a cost for you and for the client. And yeah, also you can let's say have their domains, and it's also a cost. So and you can just be, let's say, the middleman of everything and just take all of these responsibilities from your client, only give them the panel, for example, for CMS if they need to have that, and yeah, and they will do only the CMS stuff. Of course, learn them how to use the CMS. If you take more responsibilities from the client and give them more value for that, because you take the responsibilities, you give the value, so he gather the fruit of your work, so he is more, let's say, easier to give you bigger amount of money. So yeah, you need to just find the golden spot, let's say, on that, so you can just bring the biggest possible value amount. So yeah. So how was my day? So my day was quite lazy, let's say, because I just spent grateful time with my GF. So I am super glad for that, and I am super happy after this day. It was very magical day. We was on the restaurants and stuff like that. So yeah, it was super nice, and we spent very nice time together. And I am very happy to have she at my side, because yeah, she's awesome, and I just love her. She's all for me that I need actually from the life. Love you, baby. I know you're watching that. But yeah, going through all of the rest of the day, actually, it was very lazy. I did some stuff around designing, let's say, but yeah, it was in general super lazy. Tomorrow I will have more plans, because since I will wake up, I will just go to the doctor because I need to have blood tests after I will come back, I will just work on the Android app because the deadline is on my side, let's say, or isn't. So it's very close. I need to finish that till Monday because I hear that even the deadline was shifted for my not for my benefits, of course. So wish me luck. It will be super hard week and I need to sleep well today. So bye bye guys. Have a nice day and I will just go to sleep, and tomorrow I will have to manage all of the stuff. So you will probably get this video not mounted probably, and that's all. So bye guys, have a nice day and stay tuned.